Are you a content writer or a student who always struggles to create new content for your business or studies? If yes, then you should know these AI-powered tools to boost up your writing abilities and save your precious time. Welcome to The Wise Owl YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to watch latest videos about tech and useful AI tools. Today I will share top 5 free AI writing tools that you can use to create your copy, blog content, script writing, articles, and research assignments. If you are new to AI content writing technology, this video will give you a glimpse of what to expect from an AI content generator and how to use them properly. So, let's get started. Our number 5 AI tool is Writer. This software has a deep understanding of language models. It can source words from databases online for text prediction capabilities and create plagiarism-free articles in your preferred style with just one click. You can write emails, Facebook ads, blog articles, blog headlines and titles, and product descriptions. It also comes with a free plan which offers 10,000 words per month for free. On number 4 is Jasper AI. Jasper, formerly known as Java's AI, is the best content assistant to have around if you need help with content-related work. This AI content generator can assist in the creation and preparation of all types of marketing copy, social media profiles, blog posts about new products you are releasing, and much more. In fact, Jasper has over 50 copywriting templates to choose from along with Jasper Art feature for AI image generation. On third of the list is Copy AI. Copy AI is an AI writing assistant that provides copywriting solutions for e-commerce, blogs and more. It is built on top of the world's most advanced AI language model. Copy AI is helping thousands of people turbocharge their creativity and blowing minds in the content writing process. It offers 90+ AI tools, including AI Writer, which can help you write articles with just one click. Anyone who doesn't have much experience writing their own content will be able to do so easily and quickly using cutting-edge technology that automatically generates original copies for you. Our number 2 is Content Bot. Content Bot. AI is definitely one of the leaders in the space. They are constantly innovating and pushing the industry in new directions that benefit content marketers, agencies and founders. Content Bot is great for both short-form and long-form copy. Recently, they released Blog Short, which allows you to create a full blog post with the click of a button. On top of the list is Simplified. This is a one-for-all tool you can use to generate content, create high-quality graphics and videos for free. Simplified is a feature-rich AI-powered design tool with content writing capabilities. With over 30 types of copy, the AI copywriting tool lets you generate engaging, compelling AI copy for ads, e-commerce, sales copy, company bios, blogs, and more. You just input some key information and let the AI tool get to work. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure to share it with your friends.